Hey y'all, welcome to Unboxing Discovery by G. My name is Gina and today we are opening one of my favorite boxes, y'all. This is a home decor box. I love this home decor box. It's Habitation Box. It is curated by Kelly Gray, who is a interior decorator, and she does such an amazing job of picking out items that will fit into any home decor. I just love it. 90% of the things you see sitting around me, most of the time, she has picked out and sent to my door. The fun thing about this subscription box is there's so many different ways you can subscribe. You can get monthly boxes, you can get quarterly boxes. She has a store where you can shop for all the goodies you see. And she has two different sizes of boxes as well. So you can get a smaller box, it's got 4 to 6 items in it, or you can get a larger box that's got 7 to 9 items in it, and they're all high quality, really nice home decor items. I really feel like they have really elevated the style in my house since I started getting this box. So I am so excited anytime it graces my door, and when it came in today, I tell you, I could not get it on film fast enough. Now I did go ahead and open the box because what she does is gives you a QR code instead of paperwork because they're trying to cut down on waste. So I went ahead and scanned that and took a few screenshots so I could send it to my computer and tell you a little bit about the product while I'm looking at it. But I did not peek inside the box. I really didn't. I tried really hard not to look at all inside of the box to see what's in there because I know y'all love seeing the expression on my face because I really do start glowing when this box comes. Now, just to give you a little information on this box, if you want the Habitation 1 box, which is the smaller box, the 4 to 6 items, it is $69.99 a box. Or if you commit to 12 months, you can get it for as low as $65 a month. Now, and that's the same price if you want to just do 4 times a year. If you want to do the Habitation 2, which is the 7 to 9 high quality items, it is $120 a box, or you can get it as low as $105. Now that's the one I used to get. I used to get it, and I used to get it every single month because I loved it so much. And if my budget would afford it, I would still be getting it that way. So I went down to the Habitation 1, and I get it quarterly now because I'm trying to get my budget under control. Y'all know this about me, but I really do love this box. So we're going to look in it because I can't wait anymore. Oh my goodness. If you do want to try Habitation Box yourself, I do have a code that gives you $10 off. So click on my link below and you can get the $10 off of Habitation Box. So yay! And Kelly is really nice, by the way. You can actually, once you subscribe to this box, she's like a full service. You can actually talk to her, send her pictures. Like I could take a picture of this corner and say, what can I do to make this more appealing? And she'll get back with you. So you have like a personal, home decor specialist who will help you out, which is really great. I keep thinking I'm going to do that and just send her a picture of, one of my screenshots or something and say, hey, what would you do to make this more appealing? See what she says. But, I've kind of been putting that off because I'm working on the studio. Or I'm trying to start getting working on the studio. I'm getting a little behind. And right now, we're about to start Experiencing God. So I probably will get a little more behind. If you haven't done Experiencing God, I hear it's really great. I haven't started yet. I just got my book yesterday. Really excited to do that. Has anybody done it? Comment below and let me know. And while you're down there commenting, I'd love it if you would go ahead and press all those lovely YouTube buttons. Please give this video a big thumbs up. Like thumbs up, Jill. Yee. And I would also love it if you would subscribe to this channel. Subscribing to my channel is free, and I really do appreciate it so very much. Always comment on my videos. I'd appreciate it if you press that little notification bell. And if you want to donate to your curator, which is me, there are 2 ways to do that. You can buy me a cup of coffee. The link is below in the description for that. Or you can press the super thanks, which is like giving me a tip through YouTube. You choose the amount on both, so yay for that. Thank you so very much. If anybody does that, by the way, I'm going to do like end screens where it thanks everybody so that I make sure I get everybody thanked because I really appreciate those. Let's open this box. So this month's theme, the October box, has an eclectic feel with warm gold accents and a little touch of Halloween. Yee! Can you tell I'm really excited about the fall box? I love the fall decor. It's kind of a what do you call it? An obsession. I love that she does a color scheme. I'll put this picture over here so you can see it better. So it kind of shows you the color scheme she's going for. Really neat detail. All right, let's see the box. I gotta see the box. Here we go. So it's kind of light this time. It's not super huge. Sometimes we have big ones with big signs and things that, ooh, I love. But I do think it's definitely worth it. If you are like me and you need help with home decor, like I do, I am so bad about it. Callie, she just bumped into the stand. Sorry. I'll go into the store and I see tons of things I love, but if I buy them, I can't put them together. Somehow the things she picks just seem to go with everything. It just amazes me. Here's that little QR code I was telling you about. And now here's our peek, and let's open it. All right, so here we go. This, I mean, what is this? It looks like a beanie. Got my camera kind of low today. Let me adjust. No, I'm not gonna. What is this? Let me find out what this is. It is really cute. It's like, not knit, but, you know, it's fabric. You can definitely feel the texture. It's got these little pom-poms in this. Oh my gracious, what is this? What is it? Here's the rest of it. So, apparently it's a lidded basket. That's interesting. So I see where she said eclectic. By the way, Miss Callie Cat, everybody. Hey, Miss Callie Cat. Very eclectic. Very interested. Very interesting. It's 100% cotton, hand wash, hang to dry. Creative Co-op from Singapore. It has the date it was made. This was made January 8th of 2020. Very interesting. I don't know what I'm going to do with this. This is like the first thing I've really gotten that I'm like, about. I don't, that's a little weird for me. The lidded woven basket. Let's see if it says anything about the lidded woven basket in here. Okay, there's not a pro tip or anything that goes with it that I can see. We're just gonna move on. This one's weird, y'all. This one's a little weird. I don't know how I feel about that. What would y'all do with that? I mean, I don't know about this one. This is a little strange for me. I mean, I love the fact that it said when it was made. I love the detail of it. I don't know what to do with it. I don't know what to do with that. We're moving on. All right, y'all. So this thing had me so perplexed. I actually had to send a polo to my bestie and say, what do I do with this? And she came up with the best idea almost immediately. Use it like a cornucopia. Have stuff draping out of it. I see it now. I couldn't see it before. So I just grabbed some stuff I had locally, you know, close to me. And, you know, you could do the same thing with this one if you wanted to have it sitting around with it. But is that not cute? I never would have thought of it. This is what we need friends for. Anyway, I just had to add this. Okay, this is lovely. This is a blanket. I love that she sends blankets and throws and things. They're so beautiful. It's heavy. It's got a lovely pattern on it that would fit a lot of different decors. What is this? It's 63 polyester, 20 cotton, 13 rayon, and 4 other fibers. 4%. Machine wash warm, gentle cycle, do not bleach, tumble dry low, warm iron if needed, or hand wash it. What does it say about the blanket? I know I saw something in here on it. Happy. Pick your spot, baby girl. This gorgeous recycled cotton woven throw brings texture and warmth to any space for the fall. Use this blanket on a decorative ladder, drape it over the edge of a sofa or a bench. I love that idea of the decorative ladder, and I don't have one, but I remember growing up we had this old wooden ladder. I wish I still had that. But it would look lovely draped over a ladder or something like that, or even over, you know, the side of the chair, which is probably where it's going to go right now. Very neat, very cute, much more sensible than the basket. There's two more things in here. We'll open this one because I can see them. These are adorable. Look how cute the little pumpkins. Coal House design. I'll show you the tag, but these are cute. They are wooden. Just adorable with the little design on there. Very cute. Well, let's just take that off. It's in my way. Oh, if I had a little more room up here. So this one is a little chipped and broken, but that's unusual. And, you know, I pushed it back. You can't tell. Most of her stuff comes in fairly good condition. So very cute. They would add adorable little accent, and they match me today. Very cute. These are the Checkered Pumpkin Set. Her tip is the Checkered Pumpkin Set makes a wonderful addition to any fall decor collection. They can be used on a tier tray, a shelf, an entryway table, or they are a perfect little addition anywhere they are used. So they are pretty darn cute. And now brighten up a corner where it's kind of dark. I like that. Alright, so the last thing in here, this is the hammered brass canister. We normally get something wood. We have been getting a lot of brass. I do love the brass. And normally she sends some kind of greenery, but I don't have any greenery this time. That's okay. This is lovely. Look at that hammered look. This is very pretty. And look, it matches this one that she sent before. This is very cute. Creative Co-op ink. It's from Memphis. 5-inch round metal trinket box with antique gold finish. Very, very cute. I have very mixed feelings about this box. I like the blanket. I like the canister. The pumpkins are cute. This was just a little too odd for me. I mean, I'm sure this would fit great into somebody's decor and maybe somebody who might know what it's supposed to be used for, but that is not me. I have no idea about that. I would have rather had greenery. Do I think it was worth $70? Let's see, a blanket, this nice a blanket. I could see that costing that much. Surprisingly, I can see it. And the bowl. I mean, buying these two things together, I'm okay with what I paid just for these two. This, I could have got something like that, Michael's Hobby Lobby probably, and not paid a lot for it. This thing, knowing it's handmade and knowing how well it's put together, I'm sure would have cost a good bit. It's just not for me. But I'm happy with these two items. What do y'all think? It's kind of up in the air for me, but you know me, I'm going to tell you exactly what I think. If I don't like something or if I think I didn't get my money's worth, I'm going to tell you. Because, yeah, I don't want anybody to waste their hard-earned money. Money doesn't come easy. It does not. But, yeah, I do like this. I'm sitting here thinking, where am I going to put it and what I'm going to do with it? Because it is very cute. I mean, just adorable with some candy sticking out or something, you know. Yes, my brain goes to candy. All right, y'all. I hope you enjoyed this little bit of Habitation Box. Comment below. Let me know what you think. As always, y'all, thank you so very much for spending part of your day with me. I hope the rest of it is wonderful, and God bless.